Imagine waking up one day to realize you're drowning in debt, your savings are non-existent, and you have no clear financial future. Scary, right? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing money, but what if I told you that financial freedom is not just for the rich, it's for you too? Tiffany Aliche, also known as the Budgetnista, lays out a simple step-by-step plan to help anyone build wealth, eliminate debt, and take control of their financial future. If you want to stop worrying about money and start living the life you deserve, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm breaking down the key lessons from Get Good with Money. Let's dive in. The 10-step financial wholeness plan. Tiffany Aliche doesn't believe in just budgeting. She believes in financial wholeness, a state where every aspect of your financial life is in order. She lays out a 10-step plan that helps anyone, no matter where they are financially, build long-term wealth and security. Let's go through the core lessons. Make a budget that works for you. The first step is knowing exactly where your money is going. Tiffany emphasizes the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% for savings and investments. But here's the key. Your budget should be flexible and realistic, not restrictive. Get out of debt. The right way. Debt can feel overwhelming, but Tiffany suggests a two-part attack. The snowball method. Pay off small debts first to gain momentum. The avalanche method. Pay off high-interest debts first to save money in the long run. By consistently paying down debt, you free yourself from financial stress and open the door to wealth building. Build a strong emergency fund. Most people don't have enough savings to cover a $500 emergency. Tiffany suggests saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate emergency account. This fund acts as a financial safety net, so you never have to rely on credit cards for unexpected expenses. Boost your credit score high. Credit score gives you cheaper loans, lower interest rates, and better financial opportunities. Tiffany shares these credit-boosting hacks. Pay bills on time. Even the minimum amount matters. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Don't close old accounts. Length of credit history matters. By improving your credit, you set yourself up for better financial deals in the future. 5. Invest and build. Wealth saving is great, but investing is how you make money grow. Tiffany recommends start with retirement accounts, 401k, IRA. Invest in index funds for steady growth. Be consistent. Invest even small amounts, regularly. The earlier you start investing, the more your money compounds over time. Protect yourself with insurance. Many people overlook this, but insurance is essential for financial security. Tiffany advises having health insurance to cover medical expenses, life insurance to protect your family, disability insurance in case you can't work. It's not just about making money, it's about protecting what you've built. Increase your income. Budgeting is great, but earning more money is a game changer. Tiffany suggests learning high-income skills, starting a side hustle, negotiating a higher salary. More income means more freedom and security. Plan for big financial goals. Want to buy a house, travel the world, retire early? Tiffany says the key is setting clear financial goals and creating a step-by-step plan to reach them. 9. Create a will and estate plan. Most people think estate planning is only for the rich, but it's for everyone. Without a will, your money and assets may not go where you want. Give back and build a legacy. Once you achieve financial stability, the final step is giving back. Whether it's supporting a cause or helping loved ones, wealth isn't just about personal gain, it's about impact. Take action. Start your financial freedom journey. Tiffany Aliche's message is clear. Financial freedom is for you, no matter where you're starting from. Start by making a budget today. Pick one debt and start paying it down. Open an investment account and start small. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to financial wholeness, less stress, and a life of true freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more powerful book summaries on self-development and wealth building. And comment below, what's your biggest financial goal for this year? Let's build a community of financial growth together. Thanks for watching Audiobook Zone BD. See you in the next video.